The first one is a mechanical weathering or physical weathering. Okay. The second kind of weathering is chemical weathering. Okay. It's a process that it changes the molecular structure of the rock. Chemical weathering, it's a process that it changes the molecular structure of the rocks. So the rocks, it will convert from one rocks to another because that have a reaction inside it, so that can convert it from one rocks to another. Okay, so have four kinds or four types. The first one is called acidifications. Second one is called oxidation. Third one is called carbonation. Fourth one is called hydrolysis. Okay, the first one is called acidification. Second one is called oxidation. Third one is called carbonation. Fourth one is called hydrolysis. Okay, let me talk about the first one. It's called acidifications. From this part or from this name, acidification, we can divide it into four. Acidifications, okay? So the mineral inside the rocks react with the acid. Okay, how to get this acid? This acid, you can get it from the carbon dioxide gas in the air, react with or combine with the rainwater, okay? And both of them react together, and when the rainwater is fall down to the rocks, the mineral rocks react with the rainwater and they will be weathered, okay? Or it will be converted to another rocks. Again, acidification, it means it's a process. So the rainwater is react with mineral rocks and the rocks that will be weathered. What it means? What it means? How can I get acid and how can rainwater change rocks and how the things? Okay, acidifications. This word, it means acid and cations. Acids is the carbon dioxide. You can find carbon dioxide from the gases, from the air. Okay, this is a kind of gas. You can find it in air. Okay, and the rainwater, when they fall down, it fall down on the air. So the carbon dioxide react with the rainwater or combine together. Okay, and then fall down to the rocks, and the rocks we can find inside the rocks what? Minerals. So the minerals inside the rocks react with the rainwater and then have a reaction, so the rocks, it will convert it to another rocks or it will be weathered. This is the first one. Is this clear for all? Is this clear for all?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Second one is called oxidations. Oxidation, it's come from the oxygen. Oxidations, it's come from the oxygen. So mineral inside the rocks, it will react with the oxygen. Mineral inside the rocks, it will react to the oxygen, and the rocks, it will be weathered also, or the rocks, it will be changed to another rocks also. Is this clear for all?
Yes.
Okay. Third one is called carbonations. Like carbonations, the mineral rocks react with the carbon. Where is the carbon? In the air, and the can rain water take the carbon from the air and fall down to the rocks, and the mineral rocks, it will be react to the carbon, and it will be changed to another rocks. This step is very important to what? To build or to forming caves. You know caves? You know what the meaning of caves?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. Hydro, it means the mineral of rocks, it reacts with the water. Hydrolysis, it means or hydrations. this react with the water. Okay, so the mineral in rocks react with water and they produce new compound. Okay, this clear for all?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Let me explain all the things again. Quick revision, and then I will ask all of you. Be concentrate with me, please. Today, I explained team 4. It's the first things in the prime 5, inshallah. Okay, what? Can you repeat it? I can't hear you. Can you repeat it? Did you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Weathered, erosion, and deposition. The first thing is weathering. What the meaning of the weathering? It's a process in which rocks is broken down into smaller pieces. Rocks, it was broken down into smaller pieces and or smaller particles. Okay, we have two kinds of weathering, mechanical and chemical. I will explain it also. The second one, erosion. Move rocks particle from one place to another. Erosion, it means move rocks particle from one place to another. Move rock particle from one place to another. It's called erosion. Third one is called deposition. When rock particles stop moving. When rocks particles stop moving. When rocks particles stop what? Stop what? Hello? Deposition, it means when rock particles stop.
Deposition is mean when rocks, the particles stop moving.
Thank you. Clap your hands. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So the water and wind play an important role for moving particles from one place to another and have another importance that can broken down large molecules into smaller molecules or large particles into smaller particles. So the water and wind have a lot of rules, okay? So have important rules for change the earth, to change the environment for what? They can move the particle from one place to another or broken down large particles into smaller particles. Okay, let me go to the first one is weathering. What the meaning of weathering? It's a process in which the rock are broken down into smaller particles. We have two types of weathering. The first one is mechanical weathering. The second one is chemical weathering. Okay. The first one, mechanical weathering or physical weathering, it means the process broken down or broken large particles or large piece of rocks into smaller pieces of rocks, from large pieces into smaller pieces. We have three kinds. The first one is frost wedging. Second one is exfoliation. Third one is biological activity. First one is called frost wedging. It means what? The water is seeps into cracks, and this water it will freezing and expand. This water is freezing and expand. When it expand, so that can damage the rocks. So that can the rocks convert from large particles into smaller particles. Frost wedging, again, frost wedging, that is a process by which the water seeps into cracks, seeps into cracks, so that can this water freezing and expand. When it's expand, it will damage the rocks. It will broken the rocks into smaller pieces. This is called frost wedging. Second one is called exfoliations. It means the curved plates it will stripped from the rocks below. The curved plates it will stripped from the rocks below. Third one is called biological activity. So I have trees and the trees have roots. So the roots of the tree it will go to inside the rocks so that can broken the rocks, large rock into smaller pieces. The plants break up rocks with roots. This process is slow but strongly to change or to formation the landscape. And the root of the trees is go to the rocks. So when it go to the rocks, it will damage the rocks. It will broken the rocks into smaller pieces. Is this clear for all? Are you sure? Is this clear for all? Did you hear me? Hello? Did you hear me? Okay. Second one.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you so much. Second one is chemical weathering. Okay, can you mute your microphone? Thank you so much. Chemical weathering, it's a process, the change of molecular structure of the rocks. Chemical weathering, it's a process that changes of molecular structure of the rocks. What happened? That happened reaction between the rocks and the something outside, rainwater or the air and so on. This reaction that make the rocks it change from the rocks to another rocks. Okay, this kind have 4 types. The first one is called acidifications. Second one is called oxidation. Third one is called carbonation. Fourth one is called hydrolysis. The first one is called acidification. What acidification? How acids it's come? It's come from the carbon dioxide. They can found it in the air. When the rainwater is fall down, they fall down with this carbon dioxide. The rainwater react with or combine with carbon dioxide, okay, and then react together and then fall down to what? To the rocks. And the mineral of the rocks react with the rainwater that carry or that reacted before with carbon dioxide. The both of them make the rocks weathered. Okay, second one, oxidation. What the meaning of oxidation? Jaya, it's come from oxygen. Oxidation is come from the oxygen. So the oxygen is react with mineral rocks, and then make the rock as weathered. Third one is called carbonations. It means the mineral rocks is react with carbon dioxide, and this is very, very, very important steps to form caves. This important steps to form caves. Okay. The fourth one and the last one is called hydrolysis. What the meaning of the hydrolysis? The mineral of rocks also react with the hydrogen or the water. You can find it from the rainwater. Okay, rainwater or any water, the mineral rocks, it will be reacted with them and it will be formed new compound. Okay, this clear for all? This clear for all? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. I need to ask you some question. Be concentrate with me. What the meaning of the weathering? What the meaning of weathering? All of you. I need all of you to concentrate with me.
There is no one, just me in this session.
Okay, I need everyone.
There is no one.
No one? Are you sure?
Yes, it's 3 participants. Me and you and نتعلم.
Okay. Can you tell me what the meaning of
Weathering is the process in which rocks are broken down into smaller particles.
Thank you so much. Clap your hands. Thank you. Second one, what the meaning of erosion?
Erosion moves the rocks particles from one place to another.
Thank you. Third one.
Third one, this deposition. When rocks particles stop move.
Stop moving. Thank you so much. Clap your hands. Why you don't clap your hands? Clap your hands, please. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Can you tell me the types of weathering?
Weathering has two types, mechanical weathering and chemical weathering. Chemical weathering has another noun, it's physical weathering.
Mechanical weathering have another word, it's called physical weathering.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. You're amazing today, you're really amazing today. Thank you so much, thank you. Okay, can you tell me what the meaning of mechanical weathering?
Mechanical weathering is the process that breaking large pieces of rocks into smaller pieces.
Thank you so much, thank you. Okay, can you tell me the type of mechanical weathering?
First, weeding, exfoliation, biological activity.
Okay, can you tell me what the meaning of frostbitten? Because I don't know.
It's the process by which water seeps into rocks in a crack, freezing and thus enlarges the cracks.
Amazing, thank you so much. Thank you, really thank you. Okay, what the meaning of exfoliation?
Curved plates of rocks are stripped from rocks below.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, what the meaning of biological activity?
Biological activity. Plants break up rocks with roots. This process is slow but may strongly influence landscape formation.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Really, thank you. Okay, what's the meaning of chemical weathering?
Chemical weathering is the process that changes the molecular structure of the rocks.
Okay.
Structures.
Can you tell me the types of chemical weathering?
Carbonation, oxidation, acidification.
Acidification, and the last one is?
Hydrolysis.
Okay, what the meaning of acidification?
Rainwater is slightly acidic because carbon dioxide gas dissolves in it. The minerals in the rock may react with rainwater, causing the rock to be weathered.
Thank you so much, really thank you. Okay.
Oxidation. The minerals in the rocks react with oxygen, and carbonation dissolve carbon dioxide gas in rainwater, form carbonic acid that react with minerals in rocks. This type of weathering is important for forming caves.
Okay, the last one is hydrolysis.
Hydrolysis. Water react with minerals in rocks that produce new compounds.
Thank you so much, thank you. Big clap your hands. Big clap your hands. Wonderful, thank you. Thank you so much. Did you enjoy today?
Yes, I enjoyed very much.
Okay, thank you so much. You need to ask me any question?
No.
Are you sure?
Sure.
You can think. You need to ask me anything about anything? About the session?
No, thank you.
طيب خلاص تمام إن شاء الله. See you next session إن شاء الله.
See you next session. Bye.
Thank you for attendance. Bye bye.